Good evening, everyone.
Tonight, a small group held a candlelight vigil in front of LA City Hall to remember fallen service members of the past and honor the recent victims of the coronavirus. The group is also paying tribute to frontline workers, such as nurses like Gina Harris.
I don't think the gravity of it has set in. I know it still hasn't set in with me.
To lend some perspective, they point to the fact that nearly 100,000 lives have been taken by COVID-19.
It's devastating, especially when you know that this could have been preventable. Yes, there was going to be some deaths, but not in the numbers of 100,000.
To slow the spread of the disease, groups like Project Mask LA have been making and giving away cloth face coverings.
When we wear masks together as a community, we reduce the number of people who are going to overwhelm our hospitals, thereby protecting the people who work in those hospitals.
That's because vital personal protective equipment like N95 masks have been in short supply for doctors and nurses on the front lines. The hope is that everyone will put on a mask to honor the foot soldiers in the current war against the coronavirus.
When we wear masks together as a community, we reduce the number of people who are going to overwhelm our hospitals, thereby protecting the people who work in those hospitals.
And if images of the pandemic aren't enough to move you, frontline workers like Gina Harris hope her words will.
The question is, do you care about America? Do you care about Americans? Because if you do, you would not be trying to breathe on people and harassing people who still continue to wear masks.
On this Memorial Day, it is important to note that the number of American lives lost from the coronavirus so far is more than the death toll of U.S. service members in both the Korean and Vietnam wars combined. In downtown LA, Jeff Nguyen, KCAL 9 News.